guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, is the number 87. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian Style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 87. If you would like to see the previous 86, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the ink cards in the end of this video. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And here it talks about the juvenile's room or the kids' room. I actually had a bed that was very similar to this growing up. And here, like always, it points you out piece for piece, all of the different parts of the room up here. And over here it talks about dolls in general. There you can see a miniature one there. And here it shows you how to connect these cardboard pieces, which I will show you in just a moment. And it walks you through how to do that. I should say it walks you through how to connect them to the frame of the dollhouse. But well, guys, no worries. Once we have the entire collection unboxed, I will walk you through how to do each one of these little projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Here we have a beautiful picture of the Museum of Art. In London. It looks really cool. Sorry guys, the pages are a bit stuck together today. Here you have a picture inside the Paris Opera House. Very lovely. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And as I said before guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's just flip back to the front. And guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our cardboard for the front of our house to do the more stick-outy bricks. There are if I remember right, either 64 or 54, I don't remember right now, bricks here. And later you will glue them to the front of the house and give them a thorough painting. And well, I'm going to show you very delicately the other side. They're just flat on this side. But you have to be very careful because we don't want to lose any of these little bricks because they're going to be very important for later on. And well guys, you tell me what you guys think about this unboxing. Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're mushing around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell so that way you'll be able to let you guys know whenever I post a new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.